my hometown. Let's see, we are going for a breakfast to Bohuman. They are existing since, I don't know, maybe more than 100 years or something. I'll tell you the Babaji's joke as well. Namaste, salam ne maja. So here we are at my hometown. हम तो चले वोमन कैफे या फिर बावाजी. So welcome to my channel. ये नाम ही काफ़ी है. The moment I think of Pune, Woman is the first thing that comes to my mind. Woman Cafe was founded on 16th August 1978. 100 साल पुराना तो नहीं है, I'm sorry. By Hormuz Irani, lovingly known as Bawaji. What once started as a small toddy shop slowly transformed into this humble Irani cafe. The name Woman comes from a Persian word meaning good mind. And honestly, the warmth is still felt the moment you walk in every time. Initially, business was not that great, just a few customers an hour. But Bawaji focus on simple hearty breakfast, food and genuine warmth made this place what it is today. Irani chai, bun maska, cheese omelette, toast butter jam, comfort food at its best. The cheese omelette especially became legendary over time. But for me, woman is not just food, it's deeply personal. During my struggling days, this place was my comfort. Lunch used to be one hearty bun with an omelette sandwiched inside. That meal would keep me full for hours. At that age, food was priority. It wasn't easy to afford, but I used to treat myself once a week. This is a new setup that you see. Prior, it was somewhere else. For our order, I've captured few bustling counter. You'll see hands constantly cutting buns, toasting bread, spreading butter, plating cheese toast, bun maska, toast butter jam. You see the way he's slicing bread? This counter never rests, and that's the magic. Never. Then our order is what I was waiting for. While I was waiting, I'm telling you, my friend, I remembered the joke. Bawaji took a note. It was not with me, with my friend. He told Dikra, જ્યારે હું આ નોટને મારું આવાજ આવે તો નોટ તારી આવાજ નહીં આવે તો નોટ મારી. So he opened it and he told, now see, the specs are broken, so this note is mine. So he was very jovial. Babaji was next level, what we say, hilarious guy, a lively person we used to enjoy with. We miss him a lot. So I have seen him from that time. Can you believe it? So finally, if you see, in fact, the fun part, let me tell you, I took my husband to Woman on a first date, okay? That's when I discovered he doesn't eat eggs, my God. So we moved on, but the memory stayed. And now when my order came, I was just waiting. This is a must that when I am in Pune, Woman is something I have to visit. That cheese omelette, garam chai, toast butter jam, and it's my brother's favorite too. It's a must that my brother and I, we always come here to eat. Let me leave you for a moment with the counter that it's happening in. और ये आया हमारा ऑर्डर. आहा, बस nothing can beat this. I was like, got to. एक वक्त ऐसा था कि पैसा नहीं था पर भूख थी. आज ऐसा है कि भूख नहीं है और पैसा है. मतलब उम्र का तकाजा नहीं देता कि हम 2-4 खा सकें. एनीवेज, बट येस, हर वक्त का मज़ा अपने हिसाब से होता है. और खुदा का शुक्रिया कि आज जो भी मुकाम पे लाया, इतना तो उसने दिया कि हम पूरा कर सकें. सो अगेन, बीइंग ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड, वी मूव अहेड. This is how my brother and I have been eating this since ages. I cut it and then I like to put it on the toast and put sauce and all. ये हमारी गरम चाय, मतलब इसका कोई तोड़ ही नहीं है. Then we did walking on the street, nice. And finally we walked through the streets of my childhood and adulthood. The lanes where I used to walk, shop, eat, pray, and enjoy street food. Development has been humongous. याद करते हम पहले क्या था, अब क्या हो गया। नेक्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राई जहाँ पे हम हमारा चाट खाते थे टू शूट दैट पार्ट एज वेल। आज भी वो पानी पूरी वाले अंकल हमको याद करते हैं। वन एवर आई एम इन इंडिया ही सेज बेटे कब आए और कब जाओगे, आपका शादी हो गया एंड ऑल दैट वेरी नाइसली, यू नो वी बॉन्ड बैक हियर, इट इज़ अ डिफरेंट बॉन्डिंग। You must have heard me asking ये हल्दीराम कहाँ से आया and all that. So this is how we did it. But while we were walking, we were just reviving यहाँ पे क्या था, यहाँ पे क्या नहीं था। वो कहते हैं ना कि वो छोटी छोटी खुशी जो मिलती थी, आज उसके वापस जीने में मज़ा आता है। I used to walk these streets, I remember. It's as an exercise, evening time I used to just come out, I used to enjoy. और कभी हम भी ख्वाब देखते थे कि ऐसे कोई जगह पर हमारा भी घर हो तो क्या मज़ा आ जाए। एनीवेज, ख्वाब देखना ज़रूरी है और इसीलिए हम सब आगे बढ़ते रहते हैं। आगे बढ़ते हुए, माई हस्बैंड एज आई टोल्ड यू इज़ अ बाइकर, ही कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट लुकिंग एट एनी शोरूम्स एंड ऑल। जब हम पूना में होते समर और हम चले हमारे KTM के शोरूम में, moment we went post bun maska digestion after walking and everything, and this is the showroom that always keeps repeating itself. Finally we headed home for some rest. The flowers that he gave me, I wanted to keep it for a longer time that they survive, so I arranged them with a beautiful love. एंड फिर क्या, इसके बाद मस्त उसको रखा, थोड़ी बहुत कोशिश की शायद इस बॉटल में जाएगा बट आई फेल्ड, यू सी वो नहीं गया। तो हमने ऐसा ऊपर से छाटा छाटा डाल के पानी डाला एंड आई वाज लाइक वट एवर हाउ मेनी डेज इट कैन स्टे, व्हाई नॉट। देन वी वेंट कैंप की सैर पे। कैंप इज़ समथिंग ऑलवेज लाइवली। दिस इज जोरास्ट्रियन बेकरी, यू सी द वन ऑन वन फ्री। So while until our chance came, see they sell paneer puff, veg puff, spring rolls, prawn puff, chicken and all that, everything. But until our chance came, poor Renish's whatever he wanted was sold. So we headed to this most famous bakery. जो भी पुणेकर से they know, आम्ही पुणेकर मार्जोरीला जातो तर आम्ही गेला मार्जोरीला. Christmas vibes here were 100%. Means it was packed like crazy. I didn't even expect to get a place, but we were lucky. Trust me, we got it. So I told Ranish I want to have coffee. I'm not a coffee person, but I somehow wanted to drink here. They have really done a good renovation, as you see. I've told in my video as well. So they are famous for their chutney sandwich, and from there now they are, I don't know, they sell so many things. I didn't even dare to go. You see, दिस इज़ द सेल्फ सर्विस काउंटर। बाप रे, जगह देखो, 1 रुपये की जगह नहीं थी कि मतलब कुछ ऐसा शूट कर सकूँ क्या बिक रहा है। तो हम तो हमारी फ़ोटोग्राफी में लग गए मस्त। इधर पहले ना फ़िश का टैंक था, पता नहीं वो टैंक निकल गया है। तो हमने ऑर्डर किया कोल्ड कॉफ़ी, चटनी सैंडविच एंड चिकन सैंडविच। मतलब ये सब आता तब तक हम थोड़े हमारे नज़ारे देखे, सब कुछ देखे और फिर ये देख रहे थे कि क्या ऑर्डर करना है। ओह, दैट इज़ नॉट आवर ऑर्डर, टेबल साफ़ होने वाला था, हमारा तो अजून आया नहीं है। सो व्हाइल रेनिश वेंट फॉर हिज ऑर्डर और ही वाज चेकिंग आउट क्या ऑर्डर करना है, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी डिड। फाइनली आई फेल्ट सो रिलीव्ड ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग दिस कॉफ़ी। आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट अ फैन बट स्टिल ये अंदर से अगर आप देखो, इनका पता नहीं क्या सीक्रेट है सैंडविच में, बट दिस इज़ चटनी सैंडविच मोस्ट फेमस। फिर आया चिकन सैंडविच, and you know boys, but in general as well, the fat people they can do anything. So Renish was like मैं दोनों को mix करके खाता हूँ and this is what he did. Finally we moved to SGS mall. आई बारी हमारे मॉल की। Hardcore decathlon fans, we did a little bit of shopping, standing in the corner. Memories came rushing back. We used to come to Pizza Hut, I remember. My God, college days, roaming around here. I really miss my friend Malika. She was such a sweetheart. But yeah, and then we got a surprise call from our friend. He told, where are you guys? We were like, we are here. He's like, okay, we are meeting, we are on the way, and we meet. Finally, we met them, revived everything, relived, and मज़े ही आ गए। ये तीरामिसू केक, बनाना केक सब खा के। So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. મળશું બીજી વાર, ત્યાં સુધી ધ્યાન રાખો.